be showcased during these 3 days of the exhibition. On other hand, who will be coming as a visitor? So it will be art collectors, galleries, interior architecture, celebrities, individual buyers, corporates, own invited, like we will be having number of clients there, we will be inviting them, tourist guide people who are traveling to India. Once they will understand, okay, this is one of the very big show, automatically they will come and they will be visiting our exhibition. Builders, art investors, these all people will be coming as a buyer, as a spectacular for this exhibition, and which we are thinking of, like more than 10,000 people will be there coming as a visitor in this exhibition. Now one more thing, like art exhibitions are something like, okay, there are some displays are there, people are walking in and they are going through the exhibition, watching the things, and then whether if they are interested, they are doing their business, they are exchanging their connectivities and then going back to their place. But here in our exhibition, we will not be keeping it just one-to-one relations and all, but we will be also creating a celebration type. Like people, when they are coming to our exhibition, they will enjoy the 3 days. They will enjoy the colors, the art, because it is art. Without enjoying it, without having that feeling of art, this exhibition will not be possible. So we will be having lots of activities going on along with the exhibition for the visitors to get involved along with the artist. There will be a part where our visitors will be also doing paintings along with the artists. There will be kids who will be performing. We are having number of kids, like they are at very small age, but they are doing wonderful art. So they will be also being showcased over there. There will be workshop, there will be art talk. As I said, that we have to educate people a lot about art and art industry. So that particular workshops will be also going on. So the 3 days of these exhibitions will be lots of things taking place along with just display. What we are going to achieve, this is the biggest important thing that we are going to achieve in these 3 days, is around 3,000 artist exhibitors in under one roof showcasing their artwork. 10,000 plus visitors will be there in this exhibition. More than 200 galleries will be participating. Celebrities attraction will be there, and as 100 plus million view of this show across the India through digital online platforms, through physicals, through prints and all. So this show will be like on every person who is interested in, on the mouth of every person who is interested in art. And here we are not going to stop here. So we are going to add some more sister concerns or some more activities into this business that will be along with the exhibition. We will be doing e-portal, we will be doing art galleries. Galleries means where we will be keeping collections of paintings, and people who are interested can directly walk in and can see the artwork and can buy immediately. Then we will be having physical storage. This is very important thing, like arts has to be stored in a very particular way. So we will be having physical storage sections created in a very decent way, so that artists who don't have much place or who want to travel from one place to another, so they can approach us for storage of their physical artwork. Then we will be having valuation and consultancy. Obviously, artists, when they are doing artwork, they don't have the idea that what is the actual price of their painting is, how they can calculate that, whether it is a 50,000 or 5 lakh or 50 lakh. So that consultancy work, that educating those things also we will be doing along with this whole project. And obviously there will be auction house, which is another project that we are going to come up with. So we are not going to stop art just as an exhibition, but we are going to create. The reason of creating all these things, the variety of work, is that more and more artists get involved with us, and more work we are able to give them. It's not like just artists is coming and our work is, exhibition is done and our work is over. No, it is like, okay, you are with us and you will be getting a consistent business throughout till you are connected with us. So this is all what we are going to do in the Heart of Art. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much.